Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about getting customer information using bots. Let's get started. Do you want to get the email address or contact number of your potential leads? Do you want to offer free content in exchange for the contact information? You can set up bots to get their information easily via Messenger. You can automate the way you capture your customer information using chatbots. It can reduce the effort of writing their contact information manually on paper, which may lead to a possibility of getting lost. It also reduces the time to redirect people to a page where you want them to input their information. You can get their information and save it so that you can use it for your future promotions. With the help of chatbots, it will make it easier for customers to give out their contact information via Messenger. Common practices to get more leads and to increase conversion is to offer people free content. You can offer free downloads, free voucher codes, or free limited coaching sessions in exchange for their contact information. Take note that this feature is only available for ManyChat accounts that have been upgraded to a pro version. Create a new flow or sequence, then edit the message that your customers will receive. Select the option User Input. You can see the free keyboard input below this text. In the pop-up window, you can choose different reply types here. You can choose the options text, multiple choice, number, first name or last name, email, phone, URL, file, image, location, date and time. Since we need to get their contact information, let's choose email. You can view the options Save Email to System field and Set Email Opt-in. Take note that when the contact has not responded, the user input expires in 23 hours. Then you can have the option to start another automation that you have set if they did not respond within 23 hours. If you don't want to enable the option Save Email to the System field, you can save the user's input to a custom field. Under Settings, look for Automation, then choose Fields. Add a new user field. Type in the name and set the type if text, number, date, time, true or false, or array. For our email field, choose text, then add a description. Now click the Create button. Now let's use the user input and save it to a custom field that we have created. Next, we can set a specific action if the contact has not responded. We can send them another message or activate another existing flow. In this flow builder, you can see that when a contact does not respond to this message, they will receive this message asking if they still want to receive free content from you. If they click yes, the bot will show this message again. Also, if a user sends a message that is not a valid email address, you can set a response that they should input a valid email address. Next, if you want to get their mobile number, let's add another user input. Type in a message to ask your contact so that they will give out their mobile number. Set the reply type to phone. Then save it to a custom field for contact numbers. Let's add a new custom field for mobile numbers. Now go back to the flow. For this contact number, we can save the response to a custom field phone. Below, you can edit the response if they will not enter a valid number. If you click on this section, you can edit the number of times that a user can retry sending their contact information if they have sent an invalid input. Now let's try this flow. If the contact clicks the yes button, they will receive the first response asking about their email address. The user input grabs the contact's email address on Facebook. They can click on it or input another email address. If the contact inputs an invalid email address, they will receive this response to remind them to enter a valid email address and also showing them an example. There's an option for them to skip this, but since you're getting their contact information, you must delete this skip button. Let's input a valid email. The contact will receive this next message asking for their mobile number to reach them. Next, type in a valid contact number. And that is how easy anyone can set a flow to get the email address and phone number of their contacts. If you want to bring in fresh and responsive leads to your autoresponder lists, we have a marketing app that can help you build your list and grow your business. You can get signups from Facebook ads as easy as a click of a button. Nobody has to fill out forms. You can connect with any Facebook page, run Facebook lead gen ads, and send leads directly to your autoresponder. You will receive 100% accurate email addresses as these are the Facebook user's main account. You need not worry since it is 100% compatible with GDPR and PECR. You can grab their information like their full name, email address, and phone number that they have used to register their Facebook accounts. It's so easy to use that even newbies can learn to use it fast. LeadsToList can benefit product vendors to improve their revenues. Affiliate marketers can get high churn rates. E-com sellers can sell products again and again with interested leads. Email marketers can market to fresh leads daily. Local businesses can reach local people in their area. And Amazon sellers can bring relevant customers to their Amazon shop. LeadsToList is a two-step forget system to grow your list forever. Just create Facebook lead gen ads, then connect LeadsToList to your ad. That's it. You can expect to grab fresh leads every day. It supports your favorite autoresponders, and more autoresponders are being added continuously. Go to getleadstolist.in now and enjoy the benefits of bringing in fresh leads to your autoresponder. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.